Instagram chat not showing up or loading. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Instagram chat not showing up or loading. Now, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. To do so, head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. Once there, open the app, and there you'll find the little update button instead of this open button that you can see on the screen right now. So if it's not updated, update it and make sure it's updated. Once it gets installed, open it. Now, here you'll find the direct message option. If you can't still text, then head over to settings and try clearing the data or the cache. Now scroll down to apps, head over and search for Instagram. Now search for Instagram and head over to stories and try clearing the cache of the app. You can clear the data. This might help and fix a lot of bug. If it still doesn't help, open your Instagram, go to your profile. Now head over to settings by tapping on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of the screen. Here you'll get the option settings. Now if you scroll down, you can get the option help. Go to report a problem and here you can report a problem. Just type in your issue and send it to Instagram. Now Instagram will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.